And people who have not come in the top 25, please take it sportively. Tomorrow, if you join corporate, if you do not get a promotion, you cannot complain to anyone anyway, right? The world is a competitive place, and there are only so many slots that we can put on top, right? So we have looked at the DMAT score, we have looked at other activities and everything. So feel happy for the people who have come in the top 25. And we will have a Q&A session towards the end, guys. So Divya, do you want to announce the top 25? Maybe you can share the
Sure,
screen.
I'll do it, but I just wanted to add one point for everybody who is not in top 25, because we have some 500 people in batch 7, and obviously not everybody can be in top 25. That's so obvious. But just understand this fact, everybody who are not going to be in top 25 is the people who are in top 25, they'll have a gala time, they'll enjoy. But for the rest of you, this should act as a motivation that you have to work a little harder. And not just in terms of score or your knowledge, but in other aspects as well. You might ask what other aspects are there, but just like mystery of life and things in business world, you have to figure things out yourself. So even if you're not in top 25, you should be motivated to do better in life, because life outside is even harder than this. So let me know in the chat box if anybody agrees with this. If you agree with this, then I'll announce the top interns list.
You can put all panelists and attendees and put it as agreed, so that others can also see how many
I
people
think
agree.
that has to be done from your end, sir. I'm not able to see that option.
Done.
So everybody is agreed. Nice. So let me announce the top interns. So here is the list of top interns. So I've just shared it in the chat box. Sir, should I share my screen?
I can share my screen.
Okay.
So Aghosh Saluja, Abhigna Madapur, Amarjeet Bhagat, Ananya Basin, Anupinder Singh, Bodhisatya Chakraborty, Dash Jain, Govind Mali, Jasneet Kaur Chawla, Jansi Lakshmi Ye, Leena Guha Mir Suhail, Mradul Gupta, Pintu, Ratnala Fani Kumar, Ravi Rawat, Rohit Kumar Putta, I don't know. Sorry if I misspelled it. Santosh Alada, Sarika Ajay Torat, Satish Kumar, Swati Talwar, Titas Sam, Vignesh, Vishnu CS, Zitin Kumar Talam. We have more than 25, I guess.
No, it's actually 25. So there are three rows on the top which have been
Yes,
covered by.
sorry. The first three rows are first three rows. So these are the top interns, guys. And whoever has come on the list, if you are here, let me know in the chat box. I will put you as a panelist, and you can interact with me and Divya.
And congratulations to those who are in top 25, and bigger congratulations to those who are not in top 25, because you'll have the more motivation.
So just type me in the chat box if you are in the list of top 25, and we would like to have an interaction with you. So Divya, I will make you the host.
Yeah, sure.
Please make the top 25 as the panelists.
Yep.
So Divya, when are they going to get the certificates?
So certificates have been released. Just check simplecert.net in your email box, or email from Krishna Prashant, and you will find it. So whoever is there, just let me know. I'll add you as panelist.
And as soon as you become panelist, feel free to turn on your video. So 1 second, Divya. Hello, start video. Yes. Yeah, you are host again.
So I think we have 4 people already. You can turn on your videos, guys.
So I see that's Jane as well. Bodhisatya. So hey, Agush, Saluja,
Sir,
how are you?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
Good, good. So tell me, how do you feel?
So, sir, like it's the first time I'm like conversing with you on this platform. I'm feeling very nervous right now,
Okay.
but the feeling is awesome. Like I already knew that I'm one of the top interns because I already received the amount which was promised,
Yes.
and like the feeling is amazing. And thank you so much for this program. Thanks a lot.
Fantastic. Great. I hope this has become a good decision of your life. You have
Absolutely,
joined
sir.
the
Best
internship.
decision so far. Best decision. Thanks a lot.
Great. Great. Next, Vishnu.
Hi, Deepak. Hi, Divya, and hi, everyone else. Firstly, thank you so much, Deepak. I think the sessions have been truly helpful because what was really happening is, when one of your blogs you mentioned taking action is more important. So oftentimes all of us have those ideas. We'll have to do that. We'll have to do this. But even for me, it was the same. I could never build a blog and things like that. But after I started, going through these lessons, when you so structuredly put it out, it helped me build a blog. Now what is really important to me is the fact that I have a fully functional blog. I know the basics of it, and if not thanks to you, then there's nothing more I can say about it. And you also made me realize that learning is a never ending process. So I think if I have to take away two of the biggest things, then probably learning, implementing, and that cycle. So that would be the biggest learning I've got from the entire Digital Deepak team. And kudos to all of you, because there is so much of effort that goes behind the screens that we don't know. To put all this together and run this as a unit is something really challenging. But to do this at this scale and help students is simply amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Great. And all the best for your future.
Thank you so much. Thanks.
Bodhisatya.
Hi Deepak. Hi Divya. Hi rest of you, my fellow batchmates. This is something absolutely amazing. The feeling that I'm getting today. I already knew back in my mind that maybe I would land up as one of the top interns, but to actually be here and do that, it's a different feeling altogether. And before joining this program, I was very little aware of what digital marketing exactly is. I have been in business for a very long time, but this was not my forte. And after joining this program, I think that I have come across a treasure curve, which has unlimited possibilities. And this is something that I have learned through this program, and I'm thankful for that. And I would like to dedicate whatever achievement that I have got till now to my father, to my late father, and this belongs to him. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Yes, yes. Thank you. And all the best for your future.
Thank you.
Ananya.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening.
Actually, this has been one of the best decisions. I was around 13 years old when I decided that I'll be in fashion. I have done my fashion degree. My parents have a business of fashion. And still, when this came up, I thought, why not give it a try? Because this is something which can boost all kinds of industries. And, this will help every field grow. And after I while I was doing the course, I got a job as a marketing executive, and right now I'm working as a digital marketer for the company. And I didn't know that I will be completely in a different field from where I thought I'd be, and it's all thanks to you. I have learned so much, and in also there are the groups have been such a big help. Everybody's been helping each other, so it's been a great experience. Thank you so much.
Fantastic. So where are you from, by the way?
I am from New Delhi.
Okay.
Yeah.
I could see your angry face at your kid, I guess.
No. My mom actually, she just
Okay.
didn't know that I'm on camera. Yeah.
Camera. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Take care. Darsh Jain.
Yeah. Hello. Hi, Deepak sir. Hi, Divya. So firstly, thank you for such a great experience throughout the program, and the learning was all the entire course material just really added immense value to me personally, and it really helped me in my blog as well. I have a blog about sports management, so the all the concept I learned through the program helped me. I executed it on my blog, and I'm seeing some great results. And also it really helped me during my freelancing to get some clients and to work with it. So all in all, it was a great experience, and thank you so much. Yeah,
Fantastic. Great. All the best.
thank you.
Vignesh.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hi, Divya. Thank you, sir, for so much, such a wonderful experience. I think this internship program has taught me how to be how to not be in a comfort zone, how to come out of your comfort zone. So through this internship program, I got a job, and side by side, I went time to become a freelancer. And I mean, this internship program has given me a complete platform. Now I have a vision that what I will do in my life. Before that, I didn't had much vision, so I just uh, kept taking actions, and I did whatever you told. And yeah, I'm doing everything, and hopefully I will achieve more. And I'm
Yes.
thinking of, sir, gifting you something one
Oh,
day when I
done.
achieve.
And so I really look forward to meeting all my interns. And
Sure.
as soon as hopefully maybe early next year, when the whole pandemic becomes a past memory and we can start traveling, I'm planning to create like a meetup in every city all over the country, at least top 5-6 cities. So we will be traveling, and we will meet hopefully someday.
Sure, sir. Sure, definitely.
Yes. Thank you.
you.
Jansi Lakshmi. You have to unmute yourself.
Hello, Deepak,
Yes.
sir. Hello, Divya. Thank you so much. And I knew this when I passed my test, I'll be come under top 25 intern.
Okay.
I'm very excited after receiving that money, but thinking to sponsor that to someone else who are not able to join into your digital marketing internship program. So if any thing you are planning to help to others who are not able to join, so I am up in that.
Great. That's a great
Yeah.
thought. So
Yes,
guys,
actually.
just type something in the chat box. That's a great,
Great gesture.
mindset.
Great.
Yes.
So my concern, I mean, I knew that I'll receive some amount, but I didn't knew that I'll receive 9K. So yeah, I'm
Yes.
help. I
You
mean,
want to pay
excited
it
to help
forward.
someone now itself.
Okay. We will let you know if there is any person joining a new batch and is not able to because
Yeah.
of financial
So
issue.
I was been waiting to join into this digital marketing course somewhere, with some other persons, and I was been keep searching, but I knew your course, and you have joined, took free courses and all. Facebook Mastery Course bundle all together since 2017. I was been following you, and somehow I got a chance to join into this batch 7. So yeah, so I'm going to start another blog for separately affiliate marketing, and waiting to get that affiliate marketing video. When I receive affiliate marketing video, by that time I wanted to start my new blog. So
fantastic. In fact,
I'm working as an email. I was
now that you mentioned it, I should definitely show you the work in progress.
Yeah, I know. I saw your message at
So
group.
this is the slides that are being created. The most challenging video that I have ever created, but it's coming out very well. And wait for it. I know a lot of people are like, when is the fourth video releasing? When is the fourth video releasing?
Yes.
The work is in progress. And anyways, for people wondering whether the internship program is not complete, it is complete with 12th video. For other people who are wondering, these are just bonus
No
videos.
problem, sir. You're working very hard, and we can see your hardness. And you have started learn today's again another learning links, and I mean websites, blogs, and all we are following. So maybe if learn today or earn today may help. So we are eagerly waiting to join in that.
Yes, definitely. Cool. Thank you, Jansi.
So I'm from Bangalore. I'm right now working as a email marketing channel.
Oh, great. Fantastic. Cool. Thank you and all the best.
Thank you so much.
Pintu?
Pintu does not have mic actually. She just he just messaged me. So I think
okay, no problem. Zitan Kumar? We are not able to.
We cannot hear you. Plus, there is disturbance.
Yeah. There's still some disturbance. We are not able to hear your audio. You might want to try plugging in the microphone fully. I think we might have to find another opportunity.
or maybe you can just remove the headphone. You can just talk without headphone.
Whatever device you are using, just unplug the headphone and see if that works.
Is it okay now?
Yeah, now it's working.
Yeah, sir, it's been almost more than 3 years following you for digital marketing and all. I still remember my journey. It's really, like a blessing. It's a blessing for me. During my degree first year, I think so, I was completely depressed and I was not sure what path to choose, and everything was it's a blank to me. And then I went to a temple, and there suddenly I just picked my phone and randomly going through Facebook and all, and there I found your ad in the Facebook, and that changed me my life today. And today I'm working as a freelancer. I worked on 3 projects already as a lead generation, website creation. Being frank, I don't know coding anything, but I have created a website. I myself is having 3 websites right now. One is for blogging, one is for just a company website, and another is for the building for e-commerce and all. And it's really a great journey. And I hope there will definitely have a day that where we both could work on your project, and
yes,
that's maybe.
Definitely, we will look forward to it.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes,
thank you.
Yes, thank you, Zitan. Where are you from, Zitan?
I'm from Kadapa, Andhra Pradesh.
Okay, cool. Great.
Pintu has left a message for you, sir, that you are awesome and you have been doing great work.
If Pintu can turn on the video, at least I can see the face and say hi, even if the audio doesn't work. Cool. Hi. Great. Satish Kumar.
Hello, sir. Hello, Divya, sir.
Hi.
Hello.
So my heart is still beating so fast. So it was a really great experience in DDIP group. So when I joined this program, it was in my mind that I should be in top 25. So I got 90% in my school 12th exam. So basically, I got some scholarship from there. So I invested all the money into this program, and today I am happy that all the penny I invested in this program is totally worth. So yeah, currently I am working as a freelancer, and apart from that, I am also working as I am a founder. You can say I am a founder. I ran a insurance business, but it is in a very starting phase. So yeah, it's a long-term vision right now.
Fantastic. All the best for your career. Where are you from, Satish?
I am from Delhi.
Okay, great. Stay safe.
Best wishes for your startup.
Yes. So anyone else in the top 25 who has not come as a panelist, let me know. And if not, then we will wind up and we will meet again at 9 o'clock for the mastermind call, where we are going to do a group affiliate marketing project, as I had announced, in the mail. So glad to have worked with all of you guys, and glad to have had this opportunity to train you using the training program that we have created. Divya has shared the list of top 25 again, and I hope you take it in a positive manner and keep the positivity going, guys. I know that the pandemic is very stressful for all of us, and sometimes I see some negativity in the group, but keep the positivity going. Focus on skills, focus on learning, and all the best for your future. So just type all the best for your fellow interns on the chat box. Put it as all panelists and attendees. And I will see you again in the mastermind call, in the future mastermind calls within the group. And I will also be going ahead and doing an exclusive mastermind call just for the batch 7 interns. It will probably be by Sunday or Monday. I will let you know. I will send a mail where everyone in batch 7 will get a chance to interact with me directly, ask me any questions that you might have. And that's about it. Have a great week ahead and see you. Bye-bye. All the best.
Bye, everybody. Congratulations, everybody.
Yes. Bye.